Hi, my name is Simon.
And my name is Vida.
And today we're gonna test
Try
the Reese's Pieces peanut butter. It looks like that. And we're gonna test
so.
no.
Yeah.
And the Hot Tamales. It looks like this.
Yes. So
we start with
that luktar kanel.
No.
And we're gonna talk
Svengelska.
Swedish.
That
That
means
means we're gonna talk
Swedish and English
Yes.
at the same time, but most of English.
Yes.
But we start with the Reese's.
Yeah, I think.
No?
No.
3, 2, 1. Peanut butter.
Oh.
Much peanut butter.
Mm.
Good.
Tasty, very good.
It tastes very.
Yeah.
Kanel.
But
we taste this.
5 or 4. Nej. 4 of
5 or 4.
No, but
4 or 5.
yes.
Yeah. Now this is a big.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
hot.
Oh.
We think. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It's not hot. Then.
Det smakar kanel.
It tastes like kanel.
Nu börjar det bli starkare.
Nu börjar vi starkt.
Det är ju bara kanel.
Jag vet inte. I don't know if I gonna.
Now it be
Oh, now.
hotter, but
Okay. No.
we not need water. We don't need it.
No. I don't feel. Oh, now we can. No.
Efter smaken.
No.
Ingenting.
You. Now we can. For me, it. No, it's
No.
little.
Tastes good. I can eat it, so. Yeah.
It's a little strong.
But-
Strong.
2 of 5.
2 or 5. It's not so strong, but it's something to eat and it's a little strong.
Yes. Yeah. What we gonna say?
That's all we have.
2 of 5.
No, do 5 and 4 or 5. So like this video, comment, tell us in the comments what you will see, and subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
So bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Nej.
Hello.